How to post on Twitter. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to post on Twitter. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end because I will teach you all the necessary steps in order to do this. So without further ado, let's go. So right now let's head over to our Twitter, and in here you can see that I on my newsfeed. So what I need to do is to just click on this icon, this plus icon right here. So I will click on that and I should be able to be presented these four options right here. I can create a space, photos, GIF, or tweet. So right now let's choose the tweet first. And as you can see, I can also share it to a smaller crowd. So in order to do this, I can just click on public right here and I should be able to choose this Twitter circle, and this Twitter circle works as I can add my people and I can only tweet to them. I can only change things up at any time and I can remove them or add other people on my Twitter circle. So for now, I will just tweet on public. And right now, in order to post, I can just type in here something like, "Hi everyone." And from in here, you can see these buttons on the bottom. So let's click this right here. So this is the picture button and I should be able to add pictures right here. So as you can see, I have added a picture. And in here, you can also see this GIF right here. So let's click on GIF right here. And I should be able to add a GIF on my post. So right now, let's add a GIF. And as you can see, I have added a photo and I've also added a GIF. So in here, this button right here, so let's click that. So that button is actually a location that I can add on my tweets. So for now, I will not add a location, but you can add a location to yours. So in here, you can also add some hashtags like hashtag cat. As you can see this popular hashtags right here. Hashtag pet lovers. Right here. And you should be able to add those things right here. However, there's a limit on Twitter's characters. This button or this circle right here indicates the characters available to use. So as you can see, as you are typing, it is increasing in sizes and it is increasing itself, and once it reaches the full momentum of its tweet, then you should not be able to tweet it anymore because it has exceeded the limit. So let's try to exceed the limits for now. So as you can see right now, I'm typing and it is counting down on the characters. And as you can see, once I've done that, you can see that there's a -3 in here. That means that this tweet button has been grayed out. So what you need to do is to just remove some characters in there. And as you can see, the tweet buttons has already been added again. So right now, let's tweet. And as you can see right now, it has been loading on our tweet right here. And as you can see, it has been posted on our profile right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to post on Twitter. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!